getting right into it. Yeah, okay, there we go. Falcon and Fox. Matchup so tough for Falcon because he goes off stage and Fox can pretty much command all the off-stage game once he gets out there. Really good recovery though. Nice up smash. Just go up on the platform. Oh, this is the rapid boost. Tough. We have I'm the Microwave playing Falcon and Phrigid playing Fox. Phrigid kind of looking like he's in the lead right here, but okay, gets the gentleman, gets him off stage. Oh, oh, the jank. Yeah, there is a challenge for the amateur bracket. I think it's at challenge.com/RC1amateur. Should be able to see it there. Throw it up quickly right there. And send you the link, 1 second. Phrigid making a comeback. Wow. Phrigid working for those combos, but all I'm the Microwave has to do is up smash. Gets him there. Wow. Mind games. I don't think I'm the Microwave is really commanding the neutral game right now, but I'm go dipping down. Phrigid able to. Getting the follow up. This is the gentleman. Oh, flubs on the side B. Yeah, really. Fox can easily take this. There you go with one smash. All he needs to get the edge guard here. Good job. Nice back here. Okay. 1 game time. The Microwave. Fox taking it. Pretty close game. I think they both had pretty okay neutral. I feel like sometimes Phrigid was falling behind on the neutral game where I'm the Microwave was kind of controlling it, especially with that one point where I'm the Microwave just stood there and Phrigid kind of waiting for a response. Okay, taking it to Battlefield. I think it's an okay counter pick, pretty neutral. If I was Phrigid, I might have gone probably not FD or anything, but FD, you know, Falcon has a lot of space to move. Yes, LSD is in semis with Roy. Or he's in losers finals even. Quarters? Okay. Alright, I don't know if we have to update it up there. Yeah, I don't think we have to update it. Just keep it in. Nice, good follow-up. That Falcon down smash really reminds me of Mart's down smash. Oh Oh my god, the reverse side smash. He won't make it back. Let's go Phrigid, yeah. For real. He's totally in command of the neutral game this game. Last game, Fox was kind of controlling that, but Falcon's got it this time. Phrigid off stage. Okay, good edge guard, gets him off. Nice. Hold up. I'm not sure. Where did Webb's head to? Really? I'd have to get like Vro or Goldman on here or something. Oh, okay, damn. I don't know if like O'Reilly would be up to it or something. I don't know. Maybe. I finished pulling the edge guard. Oh wow, really good follow up with the knee. Follow up on the up air. Phrigid looking pretty in command this game. Gets all the edge guards. Oh, heads off with the YOLO edge guard. Gets it. Gets the game for that one. Ties it up at 1-1. Phrigid looking a lot more in command that game. He had a lot more control over the neutral. I'm the Microwave going straight to Yoshi's. Smaller stage and he can kill Falcon easier on here. Definitely where I like to go is Marth. Let's see if I'm the Microwave can take back the whole neutral game. Oh man. Scoops him up from the side of the stage and throws him up. Fox's boots acting like a metal spoon. Follow up, misses the rapper boost. Edge guard spaces the bear really well. Yeah, Phrigid seems very I think actually you can do that by just
Yeah, that's what I thought. I just don't want to
I think that's how you do that. Yeah, there you go. I'm the Microwave looking a lot more in command this game. It seems to go back and forth pretty easily, but I think that has a lot to do with stage control. I'm not sure Phrigid's very... Yeah, Falcon's not great on Yoshi's. I'm the Microwave takes that series. Advancing on thing.